Welcome back to our channel! Who thought there will be a twist in the list so quickly? In our previous video we talked about the Shanghai Tower in China, which holds the record for the second tallest building in the world, or is it? But what I am going to tell you all today was never expected. So, let's climb up to it! Hold on! I would very much appreciate if you can press that subscribe button and click the notification bell for more videos. Cheers! Merdeka 118, formerly known as Merdeka Tower, was completed on 9th of June 2023 and is now the second tallest structure and the second tallest building in the world, behind the Burj Khalifa. This pushed the Shanghai Tower to the third place in the list. Merdeka 118 is a 118-story megatall skyscraper in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. At 678.9 meters, 2,227 feet, tall, upon completion, it became the first skyscraper exceeding 500 meters, 1,600 feet, and 600 meters, 2,000 feet, in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Construction of the building started on August 2017 and was completed in June 2023. The building is designed with a mixture of diamond-shaped glass facades to signify the diversity of Malaysians. The design was made to resemble and inspired by Tunku Abdul Rahman's outstretched hand gesture while chanting Merdeka, when he proclaimed the independence of Malaysia on August 31, 1957. The building is a mix of office spaces, hotels, and retail outlets and an observatory floor, which will be the highest observation deck in Southeast Asia. It has two observation decks, the first inside the building and the second inside the spire, and a retail business center. Merdeka 118 is equipped with 90 elevators and the building covers a total area of 292,000 square meters, 3,140,000 square feet. The building has world-class amenities such as 4-acre public park, 1,000-seat theater, 2 heritage stadiums, 252 Keys Park Hyatt Kuala Lumpur, and approximately 1 million square feet of shops and F&B. So, that's it on the new number 2 of the tallest buildings. Stay tuned for the next. Leave your valuable comments for further improvements and your suggestions for future videos. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and spread the word of the craft mode. Thank you!